Okay. Sit. Have an apple. You want the apple? It's delicious. No? It's not that delicious? Oh, you lost out. Leo, do you want the apple? He'll eat anything Leilani eats. Hey, Bernie, do you want the apple? What do you think? Leilani ate it. She's okay. Leilani, no. This is for Bernie. Good boy. Leilani, that's Bernie's. Oh, Leo didn't eat his apple either. You don't get a new one until you eat that one. Okay, Leilani, sit. Sit. No. You little stinker. Sit. Good girl. Puka, do you want the apple now? Do you want it? So I'm gonna kill you. Shut up. Fix your ear. You used to like apples when you were little. You used to like them. Who ate their apples? Is that your apple, Leo? Well, it's gone now. It's Leilani's. Bernie, did you eat your apple? Did you want another one? Oh, Leo. Good job. Stinkers. Apparently, Leilani is the only one who likes apples. Leilani's going to have a bellyache from all these apples. Bernie. Leilani, no. Bernie. Leilani. You little thief. Let the others have a chance. Good boy, Bernie. Good boy. Leilani, that's Bernie's. You don't care, do you? It tastes delicious. Leilani, hey. You need another one, Bernie. You were working on it, weren't you? Good boy. You don't like your new diet, do you, Bernie? Good girl, Puka. Leo, here. Is it good? Is it delicious? Leilani, you're a little pig. Are you going to finish it, Bernie? If you don't, Leilani will get it. She's a little stinker. Oh, Leo stole it. What are you doing, Bernie? What are you doing, huh? Did you hide some chicken or some bacon back there that we don't know about? Hi, Bernie. You're cute.